Hi, and welcome back to my kitchen. We're going to put together a very easy dish tonight. It's called 5-ingredient tomato ricotta pasta. Easy. We need olive oil. We need cherry tomatoes. We need a few cloves of garlic. Okay. Some ricotta, a little bit of salt, and some spaghetti. And that's it. It's the easiest thing to put together. Dinner will be on the table in half an hour. And that's it. I think the preparation probably is the longest. Actually, not really, because to cook the pasta, I think the pasta takes... how long does this pasta take? 7 minutes. Okay, there you go. 7 minutes and your pasta's ready. Another couple of minutes and everything else, your sauce is ready. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so let's get our tomatoes ready. So what I'm gonna do is... I'm going to do my little tomato hack because I need to cut these in half. And this is my tomato hack that I learned over the summer. Let's see if I can get it to work. Look at that. Oh, that didn't work the way I thought it was going to work. Maybe you know what? Maybe I got to use this knife. Okay, well, that didn't work as good as I thought it was going to work. But you know what? That's still fine. It still cut a bit of it. You know, I don't know what happened. I remember using... Okay, let's try it again. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, they're cut in half. Beautiful. It works. Put another little handful. Okay, this one didn't quite work. Okay. Okay, so we're going to cook up the tomatoes until they're nice and soft. That takes about 6-7 minutes. Okay, I am not going to add any salt to this because I've already put some salt in the pasta water, and once it's all put together, if I need to add salt, I will add salt then. So we're going to cook these down until they're nice and soft and until they burst. There's a couple in here that I didn't cut the way that I wanted it to cut. Okay, that's fine. See all the juice that comes out of those little tomatoes? That's going to be a nice little sauce. Okay, now I'm going to put my garlic. Just going to chop that up and put it in there. Actually, I probably made this a little bit too soon because I could have waited until the pasta water. Actually, I could have even made this while the pasta was cooking because it doesn't take long to do at all. Okay, in the meantime, I'm just going to put this on simmer, very, very low. Okay. And I'm waiting for my pasta to cook. I'm just going to let this simmer for about another minute, and then actually I'm going to shut it right off. I don't want it to dry up. Beautiful. Okay. Just gonna wait on the pasta and then put everything together. Okay, now that our pasta is ready, okay, I'm gonna take the pasta and put it right into our tomatoes with the garlic. Okay, and we're gonna reserve some of that pasta water, whoops, because we need it in here. That helps to bind everything together. Liquid gold, they call it. I don't think there's any more in there. Oh, a couple of stragglers. Okay. Now let's mix this. And add some of that. Add some of that liquid gold. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay. Starting to look good. Now let's start adding some of the ricotta. We are not going to add all this. You got to add about 1 cup. Okay, so, okay, maybe a cup and a half. Okay. Add a little bit more of the liquid gold. And just stir this up. Beautiful. Mix that up nicely. That smells amazing. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. And mix that up. Look at that. Nice and creamy. That's it. Just put a little bit in here so I can taste test. Looks yummy. That looks yummy. Just what the doctor ordered. Pasta with ricotta and cherry tomatoes. Delicious. Okay. Easy dish to put together. Comforting. Comfort food. And that's how I do it. Keep coming back. We're gonna keep on cooking. We have to keep on cooking in this kitchen.